Hi guys, I was out Christmas shopping today and I saw some nutcrackers like this on display, some bigger ones, and this guy here is probably about, I don't know, 14, 16 inches tall, and I thought, hey, I wonder if I can build a bigger one, like maybe 2 feet tall. So I think I'm gonna try doing that with maybe some firewood. So let's see how that turns out. So here I am at the firewood pile, and I'm gonna see if I can find some nice round logs that I can use to maybe make that nutcracker. Alright, so I found these pieces here that I think might work. So I'm gonna see how I can arrange that to make it look like a nutcracker. Alright, so here's the plan. I'm going to use this as the core, like the trunk of his body, and then his waist. And I'm going to use this guy for a leg, this for a leg. This is going to be the straight arm on the left hand side here. This is going to be the bent arm, and this lower part of the bent arm that holds his staff. And this is going to be the head and the hat, and I'll use something for a brim. I'll figure that out when I get there. Alright, so let's start cutting and see what we can make this look like. Alright, so we've got most of the big parts ready. So now I'm going to peel off that bark and start shaping a bit. Alright, so I have most of the bark peeled off and a nice little mess. So I'm going to clean that up and I'll start shaping the legs and the arms because those are the simple pieces, and then start carving it out. Alright, so now I'm going to clean these up a little bit, and for that I'm going to use a 7-inch buff wheel. Alright, with these two cleaned up, I'm now going to glue them together and let that sit. Alright, so I just finished cleaning up the legs and screwed them together with 2 screws, and that'll make the base. Alright, so now I'm going to start on the torso. Alright, so now I'm going to drill some holes to put some dowels to attach the body to the legs. And now I'm going to clamp it. There, I'll check on that in a few hours. Alright, so I'm happy with that. Alright, and now to make some hands, I'm going to use this old piece of 2x4, and we're going to use the old wooden bandsaw. And if you haven't seen this already, there's a video on it. You should check it out. It's quite the beast. It's a little bit scary to use, but it does the job. So we're going to use this right now. Okay, so I've got the head, body and legs all attached. And now I'm going to put the arms on. Okay, so we're back on the old wooden bandsaw, and now we're going to make a base for it. Now a coat of paint for the base. Okay, now for some feet, I just split this little piece of wood, and I'm going to cut that off and make two little feet. Okay, so now I'm going to take the bark off and round these off a bit, and we'll have some little feet. Okay, now I'm going to attach the feet and the whole body to the base. There, that should do the job. Now, just need to give it some paint and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so now I'm going to work on his axe, and I just draw a little something here to cut out. Okay, that looks like something. We'll clean it up. Alright, so this is going to be the axe, and we've got a piece of dowel here we'll use for the handle. Alright, so my camera died while painting, but I kept going nonetheless, and here's where we are now. I did a little bit of decorating as well, and picked up a few supplies to do some decorating. I've got this baby blanket, which I'm going to try to use as hair and a beard, and a couple little like gem stick-on things, so see if we can make it look a little better. It's coming along. I think it's gonna need a nose. I just painted that on for now, and I'm gonna have to build some little axe or something for it, so I have the material for that downstairs, so we're gonna keep going with this. Okay, so I've got a piece cut out here for some hair, so I'm gonna hot glue that in. Alright, so I think that kind of looks like hair. Cut off all these stringies and start on the beard. Alright, so I made him a little beard and glued that on. Alright, so I did some more decorating. I might have went a little bit overboard as usual, but here he is. He's starting to look like something. Kind of like him. All you woodworkers slash artists, craft people are probably cringing at the type of work that I do, but I kind of like it, and looks like Mocha likes it too. What do you think, Mocha? Like that guy? Well, I guess he's all done. I finished up the axe, and I put a nose on him. Diego's checking him out, and I'm happy with that. The body and head are glued on just a little crooked, so he's just turned a bit, but it's glued. So that's how it's gonna stay. But I think it looks pretty cool. Fun little project. He's about 3 feet tall, which is a good size. So that's the Nutcracker video. As usual, comment below if you have any comments on this thing, ideas on future projects, if you've done something similar. Don't forget to like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and of course subscribe if you haven't already, so you can catch up on future videos. And as usual, thanks for watching.